We got a Honda in the shop that needs a new PCV valve. Let's get to work. And this is what we're working on today, a Honda 3.0 liter V6. And this is a J-Series 30A1. Now sometimes you'll find the PCV located up here, sometimes you'll find it over here. In our case it's going to be back there. I'll show you where it is on this vehicle. If we come right in here, well, there's our hose to it right here, and it's underneath this plastic cover. It's right in there, right at the end of my finger. Now, to get to our PCV on this model, we have to pull this plastic cover off. To do that, we'll pull this bolt off here, we'll pull this bolt off here. We'll need a 10mm socket. Alright, we'll get this bolt off. And this one. Alright, if we come in here, we got this little hose that's attached to our plastic. We just need to pop that out. Come on. There, now it's loose. Alright, now we just have to kind of lift our plastic up and maneuver it out of the way. If we just take it like that, we can get it enough out of our way where it shouldn't be an issue. See, it's back there like that. We could take this bracket off and get it all the way out, or we could probably, you know, maneuver and slide it out, but we don't need to. We can just leave it back there. It's out of our way, and there's our PCV right there. So we have a hose coming over here to our PCV valve, and in order to get that hose off, we're gonna have to pull this clamp back. All right, see if we can maneuver this clamp back. There we go. All right, using some hose clamp pliers, see if we can't break this loose without snapping off the PCV. Come on, yeah, this thing is welded on there. Now, I guess it's going to come out first, and now we got to get it out of the hose. All right, now we'll see if we can twist it and get it loose, because this thing is on here tight. We may need to get another hose. Yep, no. Now let's try something else. Alright, we'll see if we can get a little bit of a pick under here without tearing ourselves up. It's always fun putting it through your finger. Alright, let's try it again. We'll just grab it like that and twist it. Alright, at least it's moving now. There. Alright, we got it out. There you go. You can see there's a lot of garbage there. I thought we'd be able to pull the hose off first. I put a little bit of silicone spray on that thing. And we'll put it back. I'm just going to put my fingers over the edge here, and then we'll go ahead and I'll blow all this junk off. I should have done it first. I forgot. Oh well, we'll get it. Alright, that's a lot cleaner. I should have blew it off first. Now we can pop this out, and we're going to be replacing this rubber. Hopefully it's still rubber. Sometimes these things get so old that they're like hard plastic. That one looks pretty pliable. It looks like we'll be able to pull it out. These can definitely become one with the engine. Sometimes they really don't like to come out. There we go. Got it out in one piece. Yeah, sometimes these come out in chunks of plastic. If that's the case, if it starts being brittle, I'll actually hold a vacuum right here as I pick them, so the vacuum kind of sucks up the plastic, and so we're not dropping it down in there. All right, without knocking a bunch of junk down in there, we'll see if we can't clean it up slightly. All right, I think that looks pretty good. Alright, we're going with OEM Honda parts on this. So here's our PCV valve, there's the part number for that one. And here is our rubber grommet, there's the part number for that. Alright, I'm going to spray a little bit of silicone on our grommet, make the install a little bit easier. Alright, we'll just reinstall our new grommet. There we go. And we can wipe off the excess right there. Okay, I put a tiny bit of silicone right on the end there. I'm just going to slide it into the hose. Just like that. And we'll pop it down into place. And we'll go ahead and put our clamp back. Alright, so you can see everything's back into place. And we'll just put our clamp right back over. Of course, we'll try to line it up, get it right back where it was. Alright, we'll just pull our cover and get it back into place. You have to flex it a little bit, but if we maneuver it around, we should be able to get it to line back up. And we'll just put our hose back in. Come on, before we forget. There we go. Now we'll grab the bolts and put them in. Alright, we'll get this one started. And we'll get this one started. Try not to drop it. And we'll zip them down. Good to go. Actually, one more thing. There is a clip right here. Let me just snap that down. Now it's good. There, good as new, like we were never here. Well, that's it for this one. And as always, if the video helped you out or you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.